As a manager, this is what I daydream about at my desk. It's what summer's all about. But sadly, so is this. Behind every holiday is a crazed manager trying to plan their team's time around them. Because operations don't break when your team members do. Whether you run a cafe, clinic, or a construction site, the show must go on. And with these 5 easy techniques, you can make sure it does. What good is an absence calendar if you're the only one who can see it? Sharing it with your team means sharing the accountability to prepare in the right ways, which in turn means less weight on your shoulders and theirs. And no last-minute scrambles to adjust workload or timelines. Yes, walks. If you're thinking, I do not have time for that, hear me out. Even just a 20-minute wander can massively improve focus, performance, and decrease stress, which beats 20 minutes of staring at your team's calendar in panic. You'll likely come back to your screen with renewed energy and ideas about how to reorganize tasks and schedules. Simple and shifts don't usually go in the same sentence. Planning schedules can often feel like playing Tetris, but not when you use Factorial's shift management tool. It gives a full overview of what's coming up, so you can spot conflicts and plan workloads with confidence. Easily too, with drag and drop. And from anywhere using the mobile app, which your team can also use to check or swap shifts. Someone's going on vacation. They're desperate to log off and enter holiday mode. But once they're offline, that's that. They're unreachable. So think carefully about anything you need to know before they head off. Ask them to write handover notes and book a 15-minute call so they can talk you through them. Otherwise, you'll be left scrambling while they're sunbathing. For every extra 10 hours of vacation time that employees take, their year-end performance improves by 8%. That means working around the clock is counterproductive. Because when people fully recharge, they bring their A game. So instead of guilting your team for booking days off, encourage them to. Make it super easy to ask for holidays by using Factorial. Your team can send a request with a click, and you can approve it instantly from a desktop or mobile without confusing email chains. Learn more about it at the link below. But it's not just about updating processes. It's also about changing culture. Try leading by example and take time for yourself. This part is crucial considering the fact that 77% of managers are stressed. How can you propel your team if you're running on empty? Manually typing hours into a spreadsheet is bound to lead to mistakes and payroll chaos. So automate it. Use a time tracking tool that lets people clock in and out from anywhere with a tap. Then relax knowing that you won't have to chase people for missing hours or fix broken formulas. Oh wait, I mean really relax and get rid of all that extra stress. And to make that happen, book a free demo with Factorial, link in the description. Oh, and subscribe for more business insights. So visibility, almost. Nice, we got it. Schedule in walks, tip 2, or mobile app. Bleh. Dun, dun, dun. Nope, I thought there was more to that. Sorry.